Substance abusers in the workforce cost global employers billions of dollars annually. Recent studies show confounding results regarding the trend in illegal drug use by employees. The use of illicit substances or misuse of controlled substances, alcohol, or other drugs is called substance abuse. Employers' concerns about substance abuse stem from the ways it alters work behaviors, causing increased tardiness and absenteeism, lower productivity, a higher rate of mistakes, and more industrial accidents. It can also cause an increase in withdrawal, either physical or psychological, and an antagonistic behavior, which can lead to workplace violence. Many organizations have instituted drug screening programs that include pre-employment testing and testing after workplace accidents, along with zero-tolerance policies that address employees' use of alcohol and drugs. A company should also consider utilizing an employee assistance program known as an EAP for support and counseling related to substance abuse. EAPs assist troubled employees so that they can remain employed. HR professionals get involved in substance abuse issues by taking actions such as training supervisors to identify and help prevent problems. They also work with supervisors and managers to institute progressive discipline for substance abusers that provide them with a chance to seek assistance. HR professionals and managers should refrain from diagnosing employees, as this is a task best left to those trained in mental health and substance abuse issues. Rather, all management actions should focus on work behaviors and job performance. Many companies use alcohol and drug testing, especially following an accident or incident or for some other reasonable cause. A majority of organizations require some or all applicants to take a drug test before they're hired. Using these tests can improve employee productivity and attendance and reduce injuries and workers' compensation claim costs. Some employers also use random drug testing programs. The U.S. Department of Transportation requires drug testing for transportation workers in aviation, trucking, railroad, mass transit, pipeline, and commercial vessel operations. The U.S. Department of Labor provides extensive guidance on its website to help employers implement legal and effective drug testing programs. Key points include careful selection of a certified testing lab, proper policy and notification to applicants and employees, precise chain of custody, and conformity to testing positive result procedures. There are several types of tests to detect drug use: urinalysis, radionicity of hair, surface swiping, and fitness for duty testing. The ADA affects how management can handle substance abuse cases. Currently, users of illegal drugs are specifically excluded from the definition of a disabled person under the Act. However, those addicted to legal substances like alcohol or other prescription drugs are considered disabled under the ADA, as are recovering substance abusers. To encourage employees to seek help for their substance abuse problems, a firm choice option is usually recommended and has been endorsed legally. In this procedure, a supervisor or a manager confronts the employee privately about unsatisfactory work-related behavior. Then, in keeping with the disciplinary system, the employee is offered a choice between help and discipline. Treatment options and consequences of further unsatisfactory performance are clearly discussed, including what the employer will do. Confidentiality and follow-up are important when employers use the firm choice option. The legal use of marijuana for medical reasons has been authorized by nearly half of the states in the United States. In addition, several states have also legalized the recreational use of marijuana. This poses some dilemmas for organizations located in those states. However, even though consumption of alcohol is legal, employers are still permitted to limit its use in the workplace. Alcohol and drug use among employees and their family members can be an expensive problem for business and industry, with issues ranging from lost productivity, absenteeism, injuries, fatalities, theft, and low employee morale, to an increase in healthcare, legal liabilities, and workers' compensation costs.